What do Sparkies want to know about this particular fitting? This fitting, the new NOX High Bay or V2 NOX High Bay, there's two different models that are available in this particular fitting. One goes from 80 to 150 watts, and the other goes from 150 watts all the way up to 240 watts. This fitting, the most unique thing about it, these three dip switches that are in the center of the fitting are under this cover here. Once you remove the cover, you can set these settings to color temperature. It is a wattage or an output setting. And last but not least, it's a beam angle control. The way that it works is it switches the different LEDs on or off across these beam angles. So see here, you can see these chips, whereas this is a wider one. It can mix and match those just to try and get your beam angle perfect for your installation. The different beam angles that are available are 60, 90, and 105 degrees. 60 degrees is perfect for high ceilings and where you want to get light a lot further down. And 105 degrees is great for the lower ceilings, maybe around the 3-meter height, where you're really aiming to try and get width of light or spread of light. This fitting is slightly smaller than the previous model. So if I line it up directly next to the previous model on the top, with LED, as it gets more and more improved in its efficiencies and output, chips are often getting a higher threshold to be able to withstand a higher temperature threshold on the LED chips themselves, and therefore they're able to actually reduce a lot of the material in the back of the fittings and or handle higher temperatures overall. The fitting of course comes with the safety lanyard and its main loop for installation. And then of course you have a 0 to 10 and 1 to 10, true 0 to 10 and 1 to 10, 3 cables to be able to use there. If you have a dimming system or a system that's able to go from DALI to 0 to 10, you can hook this up even for light harvest. 2 meters of flex and plug. We do that so that it's easy to install, especially when you want to drop something down, you don't want to put extension leads in. Can actually put on the center here, it's a 3.5 millimeter jack, and you screw the microwave sensor in and you're able to then control sensitivity, light output, and a whole bunch of other features and benefits just from that little port there. You are also able to get reflectors, refractors, and all sorts of accessories. 7-year warranty, so you're covered all concerns, and of course your on-site warranty through Sparkys United for the 3 years. The NOX V2 High Bay.